Hello, my name is John D. from Carl's Buick GMC. I just want to shoot you a real quick video of a pre-owned 2016 Buick Cascada. And this Cascada does come equipped with remote start. Start your vehicle up to 200 feet away with the key fob or anywhere you have cell phone service with the free Remote Link app. Front and rear park assist, backup camera. Show you the trunk. It's got the floor mats and both wind screens, and I have the trunk ready to lower the top. Take a good look inside. Of course, the power windows, power locks, power side view mirror, power driver's seat. And when you remotely start it, you still need to put the key in and turn it to make it do anything. There's the backup camera, and it does have heated seats, heated steering wheel, USB port, lane departure warning, front end collision alert, Bluetooth. But of course, the most impressive thing about any Cascada is the roof. With one finger, folds away, and you're off and going. Beeps at you, let you know. Perfect interior. And this is a very low mileage, 4,484 miles. Give me a call at 772-287-2424. Thank you.